I have a Pelonis portable air conditioner model mpk-10er. It has a flashing red light and error code P1 showing indicating the water tanks are full. I have unplugged it, drained the unit from the top and bottom plugs in the back and removed, emptied, and replaced the water collector on the side of the unit. I then plugged it back in, tested it and reset the plug, then powered on the unit. My owner's manual says it can take 3 to 5 minutes for the compressor to reset. It's been 24 hours and the code still has not cleared. How can I get it to reset so it will begin operating again? Hello, I have managed to figure out the problem and fix it. There is a small metal tab at the back of the opening where the water drainage tank reinstalls. If the tank does not push that tank back, it will not reset. I filled with not a bit, then reinstalled the tank, and it is now working correctly. Please cancel this question.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.